Can you guess the Clash Royale cards by their sound? It's impossible to get the last one. Let's go. Starting off easy. Hog Rider. Before we move on, big props to everyone who guessed the 6-7 last time. It was the Valkyrie. You're seriously jinxed if you missed this one. Firecracker. One last easy one. P.E.K.K.A. Bonus round. You'll reach Ultimate Champion, but don't message the first person that shows up when you press share, then more. Now let's jump into medium level. Goblin Gang. What's this one? Baby Dragon.
Bolder.
You're not OG if you don't get this one. Magic Archer. Hard level now, guess this. Wall Breakers. And this one. Mega Knight.
Electricity! Electrify! Zap! Electrons!
Last hard before we go 6-7. Electro Wizard. Now 6-7. Are you ready for 6-7 level? Follow me for more Clash Royale trivia. Let's go. Prove you're OG. Drop your answer in the comments.